Vasitars Pvt Ltd is a startup company incorporated in India in 2017, founded by mechanical engineers of IIT Bhubaneswar under the strict supervision of seasoned and learned faculty of IIT Bhubaneswar, IIT Madras and other industry experts. We are the first Indian company to provide complete in-situ composite repair solutions to all kinds of damage scenarios in transmission pipelines. The Vasitars composite repair technology works by reinforcing the damaged portion of the pipe by wrapping it with composite material around. The invention can be applied to any type of damaged pipe scenarios like pitting corrosion, dents, leaking or non-leaking defects, tees, bends, damage in coating, wall thinning, etc. Defects are filled with nanofiller reinforced epoxy resin systems. The basic idea is to transfer the hoop stress in the pipe wall due to the internal pressure to the composite sleeve. The process of composite repair starts with the surface preparation of the substrate. Hand-operated tools are preferred in sensitive environments in the context of safety. Local wall loss defects are filled using the in-house developed interface adhesive paste. Fibers for wrapping are pre-wet using the fiber wetting mechanism. The fibers are wrapped around the defect region by trained executives with uniform tension and continuous rolling to ensure proper distribution of resin and a defect-free repair. The repair sleeve is let to cure for 12 hours to regain the original strength of the pipeline. VR101 is uniquely designed for high-pressure transmission pipeline providing high strength. VR201 is ideal for low-sensitive industry like water resource and others. VR301 is tailor-fit wet lay system to work with unique and complex pipe geometries. VLR101 is quick response kit to handle leaking scenarios for temporarily repair up to a live pressure of 5 bars. VLR301 designed to repair through wall defect of any shape and area with precast preforms tailor-made to fit the size and shape. VPR101 is tailored composite patch repair solution for localized corrosion damage in metallic or composite structures. VAWS201 is designed to repair large diameter and large length pipeline by using automatic state-of-the-art wrapping machine. Vasitars Repair Kit is an ideal for domestic water supply or drain systems in industries. Vasitars in-situ composite repair is capable of addressing pipe diameters from half inch to 48 inch. Leaking defects can be addressed in-situ for defects of diameter 25 mm and ex-situ for any defect size. The repair is capable of restoring the pipelines to a pressure of 350 bar for part wall loss and up to 150 bar for through wall defects. The repair is capable of sustaining an operating temperature of 150 degrees Celsius. The repair is validated at laboratory scale using hydrostatic burst test. The pipe segment is closed both ends using flanges and pressurized internally using a reciprocating pump. The pressure gauge shows the internal pressure in the pipe. Vasitars repair technology is a fast and straightforward application process which is economical and is a proven technology in pipeline repair industry recognized by ISO. The repair technology comes with enhanced interfacial bonding strength. It's a completely cold welding technique, hence eliminates the risk of fire and explosion in sensitive environments. The pipeline can continue to operate while the repair is being applied.